breaking rules on the edge, looking out with no parachute.